Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going through the FPS drop test in the POCO X8 Pro device after the recent software update. So right now, I'm going to show you exactly the FPS drop test and let's find out how much the FPS is maintaining at this moment. And this is after the recent software update, and I'm going to show you exactly what is the update version the POCO X8 Pro is running at. And right now, you can see with the 120 FPS, what is the statistics we are getting. Let me to record the scene. So I'm going to record this complete session as well. So we'll try to see overall how much is the lowest FPS and the maximum FPS you can actually get. And this is a 101. We did see the 101 is the lowest so far in terms of the FPS count. And let's see how is the overall FPS going on. And this is after the recent update. I'm trying to do this kind of testing, friends. So let me know in the comment section below how is your experience after the recent update, because some of the user did mention that the phone became slightly slow regarding the Badlands mobile game after the recent update. So that is the reason I thought of making a video and letting you guys know is it actually true or not. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, what about you? And I'm going to show you exactly what is the software update which is running at this moment. And because that was pretty much essential for a lot of other users. So it's a 3.0.5 update which is running at this moment. And this after the update, I'm trying to do this kind of testing as well in terms of the FPS drop test. So in case if you have other questions or any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below, friends. And don't forget to subscribe and also like my videos for more information. And right now we're getting about like 113, 117, stable kind of FPS, not bad. And right now I'm not using any kind of wild boost option. So just only balanced settings I'm trying to use at this moment. No wild boost, nothing at all. I did not enable that. Right now the FPS suddenly decreased as soon as I open this game turbo mode. Let me to increase again using the wild boost option. So if you face this kind of issues, try to click on the wild boost. The FPS will automatically increase to 120 FPS. So right now it's kind of a little bit dropped. So I did play for a couple of minutes and I didn't see any kind of huge frame drops. So let me just take the temperature. Right now it is about 41.4 degrees Celsius. The temperatures did increase a little bit kind of higher, 41.4 in the POCO X7 Pro device. So if you want, I can do the similar kind of testing for the POCO X8 Pro as well, similar kind of like FPS drop test. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. And let's try to play another game. So one more game like Team Deathmatch I'll try to play. And then we'll try to see how is the FPS overall maintaining in the POCO X8 Pro. With the latest update on, I'm trying to do this kind of testing. And right now the temperature is 41.8. It's kind of close to 42 degrees Celsius right now. As you can see, the temperature is 41.6, 41.8 degrees Celsius. 42.2 degrees Celsius. As you can see that that's pretty high in terms of the overall temperatures. 42.2. That's definitely very, very high in terms of the temperatures wise. So this is the overall temperature reading 42 degrees Celsius while playing the Battlegrounds mobile game in the POCO X8 Pro with the 120 FPS. 42.2 is the highest temperatures, as you can see. And using with the 120 FPS gaming only, I'm trying to do this kind of testing. And this is what you can actually expect in terms of the temperatures. So right now it's about like 110, 112 FPS it's maintaining in the POCO X8 Pro. And the temperatures kept on increasing, guys. 42 degrees is the highest so far it did reach. So we're getting about like close to 109, 102, like 112, 110 FPS. Overall, this is a quick demonstration, guys. You got the FPS count test like 42.4 degrees Celsius. It's maintaining 42.4, 42.6 is the temperatures right now in the POCO X8 Pro while playing the Battlegrounds mobile game with the 120 FPS, 42.6 degrees Celsius. So this after the recent software update, this is what the temperature readings you can actually expect in the POCO X8 Pro while playing Battlegrounds mobile game. So definitely with the 120 FPS, the battery will be draining faster. For example, 20 to 25% will drain for 1 hour of time. 20 to 25%, yes. That's how quick it will drain. So meanwhile, signing off, friends, is a quick demonstration about the FPS count test, and let me to show you exactly the average and maximum frame rate. So this is what the average, as you can see. So 110 it maintain and the highest is 119. And right now, which I play team deathmatch, you can see the average and the maximum, how it actually maintained in this moment. So it's a quick demonstration, guys, using the Battlegrounds mobile game FPS testing after the recent software update. And definitely the phone is really very high in terms of the temperatures wise, 42.4, 42.6. So meanwhile, signing off, friends, thank you for watching and stay for more updates. Until then, signing off and bye.